Will you help tell a story? Here's what's happening. Teen genius and Leonardo da Vinci wannabe Charlie Morton adapts modern technology to travel to 1492 Florence, where her iPad reveals magic powers. Hunted for witchcraft, she must either divulge secrets that will change history or be burned for heresy. And worse, miss winning her school science fair. Charlie's goal is to find out the secrets of many of the superheroes of history, and she needs your help. Dive into Out of Time through storytelling, history, science, arts, and adventure on Twitter at Out of Time Movie, and online at OutOfTimeMedia.com.